Hello again. So, since the last video, I've gotten a lot done. Ended up getting a different set of headers that actually fit the car. Got a good deal on them. Paid $50 for them. It's got new plug wires, the plugs, cleaned up an old points distributor, found a coil, put the carburetor back on it, put all the hoses back on it. The only thing that's not hooked up is the alternator. It'll run off the battery. Like I said, all the hoses are on it. I was originally going to make a first start video, but I decided not to. Car's already been running. So when my father gets home, we're going to crank the car and let it run for a while. Unless something happens, I'd like to let it run until the thermostat opens. I don't know if any of it's going to work, but the temp gauge is hooked up. Tac's hooked up. Oil pressure light's hooked up. I made sure that all the wires were away from the headers. And then because it's almost 11 o'clock at night and I have neighbors that are asleep, I had it running earlier today. Open header, but put an old set of Thrush header mufflers on it. That one ain't that bad. I bet I don't know how long this one will last. It's bulging on the bottom. It's pretty rusty, but I still ain't put the transmission that we're going to run in it because I don't have the flywheel bolts yet. But it's full of antifreeze. Got 5 gallons of gas in the tank. There's nothing keeping me from cranking it and letting it run 5 or 10 minutes. So as soon as he gets home, we're gonna crank it back up.